Assalamualaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the normal expert technician system. So let's start it. You can see that I have PPT slides also about that. I can open these. Here you can see that in the chapter 4 network layer. A note on the use of these PPT slides. We are making these slides freely available to all faculty, student, readers. They are in PowerPoint form, so you can see the animations and can add, modify, and delete slides and slide content to suit your needs. They obviously represent a lot of work on your part. In return for use, we only ask the following. If you use these slides in a class that you mention their source, if you post any slides on a www site, that you note that they are adopted from and note our copyright of this material. Thanks and enjoy. You can see here chapter 4 network layer. Network layer in the chapter goal, understand principles behind network layer services models, forwarding versus routing, how a router work, routing and the broadcast multicast, instantiation, implementation in the network. Here also you can see the introduction, virtual circuit and datagram network, what's inside a router, and in the last you can see the IP internet protocol, datagram format, IP version 4 addressing ICMP and IPv6. Also you can see about the routing algorithm and the routing in the internet and the broadcast and multicast routing. Here you can see the network layer, transport segment from sending to receiving host. On sending side, encapsulate segment in segments into datagrams. Here you can see the programming language to web application. These notes are intended for use by students in CS 1520 at the University of Pittsburgh, and no one else. These notes are provided free of charge and may not be sold in any shape or form. These notes are not a suitable substitute for material covered during courses lecture. If you miss a lecture, you should definitely obtain both these notes and notes written by students who attended the lecture. Material from these notes is obtained from various sources, including but not limited to the following: programming the world wide web, various edition by Robert, online documentation at the php.net, and in particular the php manual at php.net, and the php and mysql web development by Luke Welling and Laura Thompson, the web wizard guide to php by David A. Lash. Also you can see here in the next page some other details.